Welcome to St. Lawrence College Virtual Open House. My name is Patrick Ebunano. I'm the program coordinator for the Business Analytics Graduate Certificate Program. The Business Analytics Graduate Certificate Program is about 12 to 16 months long, 12 months for domestic students that have their permanent residence or Canadian citizens, and 16 months in length for international students. The admission requirements into the program is a 2 or 3 year college diploma or university degree, and we recommend that students who are coming to the program have a basic stats course or math course that they've taken from a college or from a university. Again, the goal of the program is to help you understand how to help organizations make better decisions with data. And we have some of our graduates and alumni who are currently working at great organizations. A few highlights from the program is number one, the size of the classes that we have. Again, we have classes in size between 15 and 25, which is a good size for a grad cert program and enables students to get to know their colleagues even more and get to interact better with their faculty or professors. There are also placement opportunities within the program, the opportunities to be part of the Big Data and AI Club, and great working opportunities that the program provides. Some of our alumni work at different tech companies, for example, IBM, and we have alumni that are also working in the financial industry, for example, Empire Life, Assurance Solutions, and other industries where they work. We have placement in place in the program. The last 6 weeks of the program in the final semester, students go on placement, and there are great placement opportunities within Kingston, in Ontario, across Canada, and also globally. Students that graduate from the program can work in different industries, and they can work as data scientists or data analysts or as data journalists. They can also work as business analysts and project managers, especially on analytics projects. And we do have one student or two students that have finished from our program who are currently developers, and students can also work as research analysts and other opportunities from a career perspective. Students that finish from our program are able to go on and further their education, do other grad programs, or even do specialized programs within St. Lawrence College, including other grad certificates within St. Lawrence College. I really thank you for joining us today as we have presented the Business Analytics Grad Certificate Program, and I hope to see you in the fall.